These are notes for section 4.4. They are word problems involving two equations and two unknowns. All right, so 4.4, page 230, 1, 5, 9, 11, 13, 15, 19, 20, 21, 23. They pretty much come in pairs, so I'll do one from each pair. Okay, so there are word problems. So here's the first batch. More. Up to 23. So answers in the back of the book. Section 4.4. All right, question number 1. It's a number problem. Two numbers have a sum of 25. One number is 5 more than the other. Find the numbers. Okay, so I'll call them x and y. The sum is 25, means x plus y equals 25. One number is 5 more than the other, so x equals y plus 5. All right, so I'll do this by substitution. Since x equals y plus 5, put that into there. Y plus 5 plus y equals 25. Subtract 5, 2y equals 20. Y equals 10. Plug 10 in here, that gives me x is 15. So the points are 10 and 15. We don't have to write the answer as an ordered pair. It just asks, find the numbers, so we found the numbers. Okay, so that's a number problem. 9 and 11 are interest problems. Okay, so here's number 9. Mr. Wilson invested money in 2 accounts. His total investments was $20,000. One account pays 6%, the other pays 8%. How much did he have in each account if the total interest was $1,380 in 1 year? Okay. So declare our variables. Let x be the amount at 6%, y is the amount at 8%. The total investment was $20,000. That means x plus y equals 20,000. Ignore the red temporarily. Okay. The total interest was $1,380. So 6%, 0.06 of x plus 0.08y is equal to 1,380. 2 equations and 2 unknowns. I'll do this by the elimination method. Let me get rid of the decimals. Multiply both sides by 100. That'll move this over 2 to become 6x, 8y, add 2 zeros, 138,000. Okay, so since this one's 6x, I'll multiply the top equation by -6 to get a -6x. So -6 times the top equation, -6x minus 6y equals -120,000. Add them up, x gets eliminated. 2y equals 18,000. Divide by 2, y equals 9,000. Plug back into here. X plus 9,000 equals 20,000. Subtract 9,000, x is equal to 11,000. Okay, so x is the amount at 6%. Y is the amount at 8%. So we invested $11,000 at 6%, $9,000 at 8%. Double check. 6% of 11,000 comes out to be 660. 8% and 9,000 comes out to be 720. If you add them up, you do get a D, 1,380. Okay, 15 is a coin problem. Suppose Tom has 21 coins totaling $3.45. He has dimes and quarters. How many types does he have? It's 21 coins, only dimes and quarters, $3.45. So that x equals the number of dimes, y equals the number of quarters. We have 21 coins, so x plus y equals 21. Temporarily ignore the red. The worth of each, the dimes are worth 10 cents, so 0.10x, plus the worth of the quarters, 0.25y, equals $3.45. So just like the previous problem, 3 equations, 2 unknowns. Multiply the second equation by 100 to move this over 2 spaces, 2 spaces, 2 spaces. That will give me a 10x plus 25y equals 345. So now that I have a 10x, I want this to be a negative 10x. So now I'll multiply the top equation by negative 10. Negative 10x minus 10y equals negative 210. Add them up, x's drop out. 15y equals 135. Divide by 15, x equals 9. Plug 9 back into here. X plus 9 equals 21. so x is equal to 12. X is the number of dimes, y is the number of quarters. So I have 12 dimes and 9 quarters. 12 plus 9 is 21. Check. 12 dimes is $1.20. 9 quarters is $2.25. Add them up, it is indeed $3.45. Okay, the next type of problem is a mixture problem, 19 and 20. I'll do problem 20 since that's an even one, which means you don't have the answers in the back of the book. How much 50% antifreeze and 40% antifreeze should be combined to give 50 gallons of 46% antifreeze? Okay, so let x and y be the variables, the amount of the 50% and the 40%. So let x equals the amount of 50%, y equals the amount of the 46%. They told us there are 50 gallons total, so x plus y equals 50. And then 50% of the x plus 40% of the y is equal to 46% of the grand total, which is 50. Okay, this one I'll multiply by 10. I don't have to multiply by 100. 10 is good enough because I just need to move the decimal over one spot. So multiply by 10. That'll give me 5 and 4. So I'll multiply the top equation by negative 4 now. So negative 4x minus 4y equals negative 200. 5x plus 4y equals, all this multiplied together will give you 230. Add them up, x equals 30. Plug 30 into here. 30 plus y equals 50, so y equals 20. So we have 30 gallons up to 50% and 20 gallons up to 40%. Okay, then we have miscellaneous problems, 21 and 23. 21 is very similar to the other mixture problem, so I'll let you try that. 23 is a little bit different. A farmer has 96 feet of fence, so all the way around is 96 feet with which to make a corral. If he arranges it into a rectangle that is twice as long as it is wide, so x and 2x, what are the dimensions? So the formula for perimeter is 2L plus 2W. We know they're x and 2x, so 2 times x plus 2 times the other side, which is 2x, equals the 96. So 2x plus 4x equals 96. 6x equals 96. Divide by 6. X is equal to 16. 2 times 16 is 32. So they are 16 feet by 32 feet. All right, and that was section 4.4.